So guys, as you can see right here, all those coins are currently spiking up at a very high percentage, and a lot of persons has no idea on how to take advantage of these opportunities. All right. So guys, in this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to make up to 50 USDT on a daily basis trading cryptocurrency on the Binance section. All right. So make sure to stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay. So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don't Comes TV, and what we'll do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Don't Comes TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Alright guys, so here we are on my crypto trading account dashboard right now. So before you can start up this trading strategy, you first of all need to have a Binance and a bybit account, okay? And the both accounts needs to be fully verified, guys, to avoid issues. All right, so guys, when you actually have the accounts ready, the next step would be to start trading. So how does this trading work? Okay, so if you live in a country where Binance is accepted for trading, you can actually trade using Binance alone. But if you live in a country like Nigeria where Binance is actually not accepted for trading, that is the reason why I actually introduced Bybit. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can trade right now. So guys, first of all, you need to load your Bybit account with at least 50 USDT or 100 USDT, depending on how much you can actually afford. Okay, if you can afford much more than that, then you can purchase more USDT, because the bigger your capital, the bigger profit you make from the market. Okay, so for persons who intend funding their Binance account, if you're actually from Nigeria or the diaspora, you can actually go over to the PayTzar crypto trading group. I'm going to be leaving a link to that group on this video description. Just go over there and chat on the group saying you actually want to buy USDT, and boom guys, Don't Comes TV is going to be the one who is actually going to answer that, and boom guys, you are going to get your USDT straight down into your Binance wallet. Okay, we actually carry out transactions of all type. Whatever amount you actually need, we deliver to you guys. Okay, so that is it. All right, so when you have your trading capital ready, the next step would be coming over to the gainer section, as you can see up here. So while you are here, the next step would be over here that says all market. You just simply hit on this drop down arrow right here and just select BTC market. Okay, so guys, as we all know, BTC actually holds 40% of the total market cap, guys. Okay, so what this means is that when BTC actually goes up, other cryptocurrency tends to go up. Okay, so as you can see over here, guys, we are currently on the BTC market where all these cryptos over here are trading with the BTC pair. As you can see, this one called the JST BTC, this one is TRX BTC, KDA BTC. Okay, so what we simply do is purchase all those cryptos right here. So we can purchase probably 5 or 10 of these cryptos and just hold them, guys. Okay, so when we actually hold them, just wait for some couple of hours, probably 3 to 4 hours, and wait for the spikes. Okay, as you can see, all those cryptos are actually popping right here. They actually go up and go down, they go up and go down, and there's actually a time where it goes up pretty well. So this is where you actually make your profit from each and every one of them, and then you actually convert them to the stable currency, which is a USDT, and boom guys, you sell for profit. Okay, so this is basically how the strategy works. Okay, so let's say you actually have 100 USDT worth of BTC for trading. You can just simply purchase 10 USDT worth of BTC each on every one of them right here into 10, which is 100 USDT, and boom guys, you just hold it for about 3 to 4 hours. That is short term. Okay, you actually hold for short term and not long term, guys, so you won't actually end up losing your money. All right, so when you're actually done purchasing them, you just need to wait for 3 to 4 hours until you actually see spikes in them. So when you actually see spikes in them, you just simply convert back to USDT, and boom guys, you actually sell for profit. So this is basically how you can do this. All right, so how can you purchase this crypto? So what you simply do is, let's say you actually want to purchase the JST BTC, just simply hit on it. Okay, and over here that says buy, you just simply hit on the buy button over here. Here we are on the spot market. So all you just simply do is impute the amount of GST you actually want to buy over here, and boom guys, you just simply buy GST using your BTC. So that is basically how you can do this. Okay, this also applies while using bybit, but you won't get to see the BTC market just like what you saw right here, guys. Okay, you won't get to see this market right here that says BTC market on bybit. Okay, but right here on Binance you get to see everything and just work with it. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually make the most amount of money for yourself right here on Binance, performing this crypto trading strategy. Okay, so like I said previously, if you want to purchase your BTC cryptocurrency and as well your USDT cryptocurrency, you can just contact us on the PayTzar crypto trading group. I'm going to be leaving the link in this video description, so just contact us and boom guys, we'll actually transact one-on-one, guys. Okay, so this is where I draw my curtain for today. So if you found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. If this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell icon, guys, whenever I actually upload wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now. You're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you very much once again for watching. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.